Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Well, we're kicking off 2025 actually here in the studio, but we're going to talk about Camp Margaritaville here in Crystal Beach, Texas, a Texas-sized RV resort. You know, they have a lot of amenities out there and a lot to offer. They've got the awesome bathhouse that also includes the laundry room and the workout area. They've got Finn's Bar and Grill that serves up some great breakfast on the weekends, and then also some great meals for lunch and or dinner. They've got the Texas-sized pool that you can relax in, and it is heated. They have the cabanas, the gaming area, the store, the pet park. But one thing they're really known for is their live music. And I tell you what, in 2024, they really upped the game and brought in some real big headliners. And they're starting off that way again in 2025. And so we're going to talk a little bit about the live music they have. In fact, let's check out and see who's going to kick off January, February, March, and even who's coming for Memorial Day weekend and July 4th. Listen in. Friday, January 17th, Kyle Garrett live. Saturday, January 18th, Tyler Dozer Duo. Friday, January 24th, Kirk Harper. Saturday, January 25th, Jeff Canada. Friday, January 31st, Zachary Burnett. Saturday, February 1st, Byron Haney. Friday, February 7th, Caleb Lane. Saturday, February 8th, Mason Garner. Friday, February 14th, Jimmy Barkus. Friday, February 21st, Brody Rivers. Saturday, February 22nd, Kirk Harper. Friday, February 28th, Byron Haney. Saturday, March 1st, Swampland Revival for Mardi Gras. Sunday, March 9th, Stony LaRue kicks off spring break. Saturday, March 15th, Ty Myers for spring break. A look ahead, May 25th, the Randy Rogers Band for Memorial Day weekend. And Saturday, July 5th, Aaron Watson for 4th of July weekend. Well, as you can see, they've got a great music lineup the first of the year. In fact, remember, Valentine's Day falls on a Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday's President's Day. So if you have off Monday, why not make it a 3-day weekend here on the upper Texas coast? And then we also have Mardi Gras weekend coming up. Another great weekend here with the Mardi Gras parade. In fact, it leaves out of Camp Margaritaville, so you get a first-hand look before it ever hits Highway 87. We're going to keep you updated throughout the year on all the live music at Camp Margaritaville here on their weekly show every Tuesday, or is it Wednesday? Check them out. Anyway, we're going to head on out. Hope to see you at Camp Margaritaville, a Texas-sized RV resort here on the upper Texas coast, Bolivar Peninsula. And for more information on Camp Margaritaville, go to their website at www.campmargaritavillecrystalbeach.com. Make sure you sign up for their newsletter. Well, you'll get specials emailed to you, discounted stays, and be the first to know of any live music coming to this grand place that's Beachfront. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and bye-bye.